Ever step outside into the bright sun and immediately let out a huge sneeze? You're not alone. It's a real condition called the photic sneeze reflex, or more amusingly, ACHOO syndrome. Scientists believe this happens because the nerve that senses light, the optic nerve, runs very close to the trigeminal nerve, which controls sneezing. When you're suddenly exposed to bright light, the overstimulated optic nerve can accidentally trigger the trigeminal nerve. This crosstalk confuses your brain, making it think there's an irritant in your nose, leading to that uncontrollable sneeze. So, it's not an allergy to the sun, but a fascinating case of crossed wires in your nervous system.